cursed.
Oh my god, did you see that? Did you do that?
Murdered? Look at that. Look at his spike, dude.
Located deep in the heart of Pottawatomie County, Iowa, stands the notorious Squirrel Cage Jail, which some people deem the most haunted location in Iowa. The hauntings here range from voices to footsteps to full-blown apparitions. One of the many people who stayed here was Jake Bird, an infamous axe murderer who killed. When he was sentenced to death, he put a hex on everyone involved with his prosecution, stating,
"I'm putting the hex of Jake Bird on all of you who had anything to do with my being punished. Mark my words, you will die before I do."
Oddly enough, 6 people involved in the prosecution passed away suddenly. Many people claim Jake Bird is still here. This is Funko Landing TV, investigating
the Squirrel Cage Jail.
So this room would be your first stop if you were arrested here at the Pottawatomie County Jail. This is the booking office. They would bring you in here and take away your shoelaces, belt buckle, anything they found to be dangerous is taken away and not given back. But you can keep your matches and cigarettes, because that's perfectly fine, right?
Yeah.
But if you guys are causing trouble in here during intake or in the back, you'll hit solitary confinement. So I'm going to open up that door for you. Because this is solitary confinement, just where I'm standing. It's this little box. It's a couple feet across, a couple feet deep, and only 6 feet tall. It's meant for 30 minutes to a couple of hours. Longest we're aware of is 10 days right here. You're gonna get bread and water twice a day, coffee can or bucket at your feet as your toilet. And this door is gonna be closed the entire time. So I can turn around, but I don't have shoulders to speak of. So people that are taller have much more difficulties in there. If you guys wanna jump in, you can. You can also feel a nice temperature change when you step in there. And I'm gonna close that front door.
That'd suck if you were like really big too.
Good thing I'm short. This would suck. Okay.
You want me to shut you
Oh,
in?
dang it, I want to close the door.
What? Don't do that. It's almost 6 feet tall. Is it worse like that?
Oh yeah, this is the life.
This is the life.
This is the model of what we're about to go into. So just behind this door, we're right here. All 3 levels did rotate as one piece, and it was meant to rotate continuously. When it was perfectly aligned, it would move smoothly, but the whole structure has shifted at least an inch, so the gears are no longer in alignment, which made it more and more difficult to rotate.
Oh, man.
So by 1960, fire marshal comes in and says, guys, this isn't working, this is dangerous. Any emergencies, it's gonna take too long to clear it out. So where it sits today is where it was stopped by order of the fire marshal. Any other questions before we go to jail?
No.
All right. As we go through here, we're gonna pass where the hand crank would have been located, and that's gonna be right here. You can see where the swinging door was. It could latch into one of 3 spots, closing off this one cell. When you come in my direction, there's a step down, so please watch for that. So we have had 5 deaths in the facility. We just confirmed the 5th one recently. But the first that we would have passed is Harry Cohen was smoking about 150 to 200 hand-rolled cigarettes a day in about 1907. He passed away of a heart attack on this first level.
Jeez.
We don't know exactly the cell, but near solitary confinement hallway is the article about it. In 1942, an inmate fell from the catwalk. There used to be catwalks that went around the 2nd and 3rd level. You can kind of see where it's roughly cut in the seams.
Oh, right here.
On the far side, yes. On the far side, Joseph Lattack went to the 3rd floor catwalk. They don't know exactly why. Inmates weren't meant to be up there, but he stood and he fell, breaking his neck upon impact. And they were about a foot or so in width with just a small lip. And then we know in 1960, this is the one that we just confirmed, a gentleman, Mr. Morris Pruitt, had a heart attack at the picnic table. A few others I'll talk about, but those are all this section.
Do you ever experience anything here? Or?
Okay, so weirdly enough, a lot of people get stuff at the picnic table, which I find really interesting because we just confirmed that death 2 months ago.
Okay.
So we have such a recent history, we are still learning a lot.
Okay.
Now I've heard footsteps, doors opening, closing, things dropping, quite a bit of stuff. I've been here over 5 years though as well, so I've had a lot of time.
We always start off with a game of paranormal hide and seek. So, if you guys aren't familiar with our hide and seek that we do, whoa, there's
an airplane.
Whoa, look, it's right there. We're right next to the Council Bluffs Airport. Look at that. All right, well, that wasn't the loudest thing in the world. I do the spinning wheel of terror on my phone, and basically, so our hide and seek, the camera person has night vision, the other person does not. The camera person just follows the other person that gets picked as the seeker to walk around. The whole place is our hiding place.
Oh, yeah.
Alyssa is the seeker.
Let's cheer.
Woo, do you hear your audience?
Yeah. I got
I'm
so
gonna go
scared
get
the
my
last time hiding in Edinburgh that I'm always like, please, 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 let me be the seeker. I hated every minute of that.
It was spoopy doopy.
It was super spooky.
Dude, seriously. It's insanely dark and terrifying.
Alright, we got 2 minutes and 42 seconds on the clock. They better get their butts a moving.
There's a mannequin right there. Oh, is that cold light? Okay. It's really creepy up here.
I am nervous. The reason I wanted to be seeker is so I could have a light. And I didn't have to stay in one spot. That's what's scariest, I think. Because when I was hiding at Edinburgh, I was like, no, but I can't even, I didn't even know where I was though, because I didn't have a light to go, like, at all. Nobody had a light.
There we go.
I'm in the ship stacks.
You guys want to be in here with me?
Are we allowed to hide together?
I don't know. No, just go into the bed. Hurry. Oh, God.
This is the kids' wing.
15, 14, I'm so nervous. Still. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do I let them know that I'm coming in or not?
Just, you can announce yourself.
Nah.
Pretty much I do this for a chance for us all to be alone. To see if we experience anything at all.
Nah, dude. How am I supposed to find anyone? It's pitch black. How am I supposed to see anyone? I don't know.
It's so weird talking in the dark because it's like you're really aware of how your mouth moves. I don't know, especially like seeing it. It's like pitch black. I don't know what it is.
Jesus. Oh god, it's a mannequin. I was like, why is Bishop wearing sunglasses? I see your infrared.
What?
What?
I guess that is easy to see.
We found someone.
You found me.
Onions and berries. I win! I had a feeling Tyler was in here.
I thought you looked right at me.
I felt like somebody was in here. But, Tyler, how does this work?
What?
So I've had this at my feet because I literally can't see anything. How am I supposed to catch people if I can't see them?
Adjust your eyes.
No.
Somebody walking in front of his camera?
Found you. Found you.
Bumped by like 4 or 5 times.
Was it nice and not dirty at all under there?
So dirty and uncomfortable.
I wouldn't have done that.
I was thinking about it and then I was like, yeah, that's gross. check in there?
No. Because isn't this just like a drop off?
No.
Oh my god, that's why I didn't open this door. That's literally the reason I didn't open that door.
I was gonna stay.
I thought it would drop down like an elevator shaft.
No.
I figured you'd go like this and just. I was hiding.
Seth, could you hear us the whole time?
Yeah, you hear me? I was like.
Is that you? I was like, so then where's Bishop?
He's on this floor.
Wait, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You heard me go.
Yeah, I was trying to. Cause you were doing it in circles around me. You're like.
Trying not to laugh.
I got Tyler. I walked into where he was. I didn't see him. But I was like,
dude, she stared right at me. And I was like, balls.
no, because I felt like you were I felt like you were in there, but I couldn't see you. And I was just like, onions and berries. And he's like, and I was like, ah.
I was like leaning down on the cracks.
He's on this floor.
Really?
Yeah. Bishop's on this floor.
Okay, you win. Let's go. We're done.
Yeah, that's what I thought. God dang it, dude. That scared me like that.
What? I looked kinda.
Dude, that was the scariest shit. I walked in here.
No,
smacked
seriously,
her on the
the
floor.
reason it took forever was because like the first little bit, I was like, how am I supposed to find anyone? A lot of areas are pitch black. I was like, I can't use a light. And then I was like, okay, I'll use this little light by my feet so I don't die, because she was tripping. And
Where was
yeah.
Cole?
Underneath a bed, all
Underneath a bed.
stupidly. We booked him, right? This is the K2 he's gonna have with him. And he's gonna be in the jail cell, sitting in there. She's gonna come with me. We're gonna go on the other side and set up this camera. He's gonna go on this side and set it up.
Some real customer service here.
Turn around.
Oh.
You don't get a view.
All right.
That's good enough.
Alright,
K2 here.
there you go. Have fun.
Awesome. I'll see you in a little while.
Yep, have fun. So we're upstairs right now. We're upstairs in the apartments. Bishop's downstairs.
I'm 0.
Bishop is downstairs in the solitary confinement. We got the REM pod, we got a voice recorder, we also got the spirit box.
And we've got Seth's gas.
That was Cole.
No, that was Seth.
Cole's got his
It was
feet
Liz.
again.
That was cold. Right next to me.
No rough housing.
No, they both look guilty.
Alright, kids. That was both of them at once. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead.
Well, I guess I get to spend a nice, cozy 10 minutes or so in here. They wanted me to ask some questions. I don't know. I'll see what I get here. I believe in the supernatural stuff. I'm not really getting any vibes here, so if there's anybody here with me, give me a sign.
Oh.
Before?
My name's Tyler.
My name is Alyssa.
My name is Mitchell.
My name is Liz.
My name's Colt.
And Seth.
What's your name? Yeah, because I heard it out. It's
Just
Yeah.
an idea. Well, what if you were to put the REM pod out there while we ask questions in here? I mean, the camera's out there, so it'll pick it
Or
up.
at least like in an open space.
Yeah, like not like
As
with
well
all of
as
us surrounding it.
Yeah.
Usually we put it in like a doorway.
Yeah, go walk it out there.
You want me to put it in the doorway? Maybe have Liz go over there in the corner.
Yeah, sure. Let's try the spirit box without headphones. Just see if we can hear anything.
Okay.
We got time, so I'm just kind of trying to test some things right now. Till we get our groove going.
Scanning FM.
Hello?
there anybody here with us? What did it say?
Spirit box.
It said spirit box.
Whoa.
Or
That was,
speak box. Spirit box or
Weird.
speak box.
that was clear.
Yeah, dude.
Have you used one of these before?
That one.
Wow.
Yeah. Do you enjoy using spirit box?
Doesn't really appear like I'm getting much of anything. I mean, I'm no expert at feeling things, but like I said before, I don't really get any vibes coming through here. You know, we'll see if something pops up. Kind of hoping to see something, but I'm not too disappointed if nothing pops up either.
Sometimes.
Oh my gosh. Can you tell me your name?
Simon? Can you say your name one more time?
Sick one?
I get cell blocks.
Oh.
Can you see us?
So dark.
Wonderful.
Did you hear that? Yeah, that was clear. Holy cow.
How many of us are in the room?
6.
I heard
It
this.
still was clear.
How many of us are in the room right now?
Is there somebody here? If there's somebody here, go ahead and make this guy show some colors. Show some colors.
How many of you are here with us right now?
Bread and water?
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I ain't too bad in here.
Did you hear anything?
No, I ain't getting nothing.
Give it in.
What?
You want this anywhere?
You can. Do you know how to stop the recording? Or did you?
I already stopped, yeah.
Okay.
You okay? You just out of breath?
Yeah, up those stairs and it's hot
Yeah.
as fuck. in here.
Yeah.
Everybody back up. Is
Hello.
that you? Turn it up. Can you make it stop? Make it stop, please. Thank you. You can come touch it again so that I know it's you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Could you get a little closer? A little closer to the red light? Make it go a little more. You don't have. Oh, thank you. Okay, could you stop? Just back up. Thank you. Okay, would you like to answer questions through that? Okay. All right, could you back away? Back up just a little.
A little more, please.
Thank you.
Jesus. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Is it you?
No, it's not me. I'm not.
How long of a range does it have?
Not very far at all.
Do I need to back up?
No.
No?
You're more than good. You've seen me with my
I don't know
hands.
if it's a foot, 2 feet, 3
Thank
feet.
you
Dude,
for touching
have
that.
you seen me with my hands?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Right after,
Thank you
right
so
after I
much.
said Jesus.
Yeah.
Did you say that? Feel like touching the REM pod? Descriptive. Yes, REM pod is the descriptive name. Could you make it go up a little higher? Make it go to the next color. Now give it all you got. A little more.
You could hear something like touching it. Did you hear that?
Yeah, actually.
I could hear. Yeah, something was touching it. I could hear it. Hopefully the audio caught that.
Sound like when you shock them with your fingers.
Yeah, did you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that Seth, are you going like that with something?
No, that's Bishop.
Oh.
But that wasn't the same noise.
Okay.
No, Seth, you heard that though, right?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you so much. All right, can you touch it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1?
Now.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you still there?
Suck this.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Or escape. Did you escape the jail? Wait, did it say it's a Jake?
Yeah.
Is this Jake Bird? Well, that could be triggering that though. That's what I don't Jake Bird, if that's you, could you make the REM pad go up even higher?
Yeah, it's that.
Make it go to the next color.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. We'll come back to this.
If
I'll
you
just
want,
do
feel
this for,
free
like, a
to
couple
hang out
seconds.
with us throughout the jail.
Okay.
All right. Sounds good.
You can't follow us home, but you can follow us around the jail as much as you'd like.
Maybe close a few doors if you want to.
Yeah, feel free. All right.
All right.
Sounds like a deal. We really, really appreciate it.
Thank you one more time. We're gonna go here and we'll be back. All right. Jesus, did you hear it again?
Yes.
It sounded like Jesus loves.
So who's in what group?
You're with us. Just follow us. Smile and wave.
Smile and wave.
No,
I should. So we're gonna be on the. Are we gonna be on the bottom far away? On far end?
All right. All right. I don't know if you're just kind of hanging around, touching it every now and again, or maybe you're just sitting there. All right. So I'm going to put this up here next to the music box.
Seems like a good spot because I got mine set up right here. So.
Oh yeah. Put the cat ball down right here. Let it turn off quick. Alrighty.
He's going to turn off. I've been waiting for you.
I know. I was trying to keep up with him, and then I was like, "Where's everyone else?"
Realistic. I don't like it.
I was gonna say, do we want to go up to Bird or down? Stay down here.
We'll stay down here first, so we don't confuse them. I guess.
Want to far back? God, that little dude in there freaked me out.
Oh my God! What's his name again?
I forget. El Francho.
Can you see all this?
Yeah.
On the mannequin.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. We got the K2. I have a device in my hand. If we touch it, it'll light up, and I'll know you're here.
kneel that way. I don't have good knees. Troubles of getting old. Alright, so this little ball down here, all you gotta do is just kind of tap it and it'll light up like that. So I'm just gonna put that there. Sit down on the floor. Ouch. And alright, I guess we'll start asking some questions. Is there someone here in the room with us?
Yeah.
Can you finish this?
I'm gonna try it on this.
Did you hear it?
Oh my god.
I heard what kind of footsteps, I think. Did you hear it? Yeah. That was way down there.
Does somebody want to walkie them and ask them if they're walking around?
That sounds
Cole,
like,
where'd it come from?
that sounds like Mitchell over there.
No, it sounded like it was right
Around
down
the
there.
corner, yeah.
You
Yeah.
guys walk.
What?
Are you guys walking?
Not really. No, we're kind of just sitting here. That makes that ring go off.
Let's go down there. All right. Grab that.
Alright, we're gonna move.
We're gonna go to where you knocked at.
Go ahead.
Thing is,
Look at us.
Yeah, hold on, he wants to move some stuff back.
Alright. Oh my god, did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen that go off. That's crazy. Can you do that again?
You wanna back up and Seth come over here so you get all of us? Is this Jake Bird? Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. It sounded super Minnesota.
Did it?
Road or something.
Have you ever been to Minnesota?
Well, they're saying we're from
Once.
Minnesota.
See that reverb makes it easier to understand usually. See? Jeez.
Really can't see in the dark.
Yeah, so we were in that cell over there, right? And we were just kind of asking questions and stuff, and then Alyssa did the dun 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 knock, and then we didn't get nothing, but then Tyler did it, and then we got 2 knockbacks from here.
Oh.
So we came back here, and it was just
I heard that too.
It's like a female voice.
Hello?
Okay, continue.
And I came over here, and we came in here, and it was super heavy, super heavy. When we came in here, and we tried to like both lifted our arms up, our hairs are just straight up, and it was pretty thick. And but then the first kicked on, so we just started to go with the necrophonic app, and then after that kicked off, we did try to do a couple EVPs.
It's got some very cold.
Really?
Yeah, feel.
Seth has this thing, don't you?
What?
Your imaging?
Thermal imaging? Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure we caught the cat ball going off.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like,
Pretty sure.
because I did reach into my pocket when I was sitting down to pull out the walkie because Tyler just said something. And then I put it back in. And I tried to recreate it all too to try and see if I could get it to go off again, and it didn't. But it went off. Like, I didn't step or nothing. So,
Okay.
Oh, we
What's
and
the
it
question?
didn't wiggle.
This one.
Careful, it's like double drop.
Okay. If you want, we can set it on the floor so we're less
Is that
intimidating. What? It's on.
The fuck is that?
It's just from you standing over there, I think. Yeah.
No, but it wasn't that intense. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fucking damn, you made me pee myself. I was like, bro, what is behind me? Okay, no standing over there. I'm gonna stand here, I guess.
So sometimes I like to just like sit. So,
Papa Squatter.
Proper squat.
yeah.
That's my nickname in high school. Papa Squatter.
Okay, so it's me, Bishop, and Colt. We're down here in the jail area. The only thing that kind of sucks is the contamination from that thing. So that kind of sucks, but it turns off every now and again.
Yeah, it turns on like every 5 minutes.
Yeah. Darkness.
Did you guys drop the light?
Stop. Okay, we'll go over here. Try to get up there. There's a drop here. Watch out.
That's why I always gotta shine the flashlight on my feet.
Bishop, you want to sit in this room with me? Sure. And you can do the same thing outside the door. Okay, alright, so you touch this device in my hand, it'll spike up. The middle spike is pretty much a normal electromagnetic frequency.
Yeah, I saw that.
And if it goes all the way to red, that's a lot of energy.
Yeah, I was getting both of them earlier. They were
Okay.
both going into the red.
We can try necrophonic, so this is a spirit box. And it goes off from basically a sound bank that they use to communicate. It's kind of like the radio one, but this one's just a sound bank.
Let's do it before the furnace kicks on.
Okay. Hello? Anybody here with us? Maybe you hear something, say it out loud, you know?
Crazy.
Shut up, don't say something like
My name is Alyssa.
My name is Mitchell.
And I'm Seth.
My name is Liz.
Is anyone here with us? I feel like when we came in, it left.
It's pretty mellow in here.
Uh-huh.
Would you like to come back in?
Open the door.
Is there anybody in the jail cell with us? Yeah. Okay. Mitchell. I don't like that. Did you hear that?
Were you a trustee here?
Liz, are you breathing heavy?
No.
I hear some heavy ass breathing over here by me.
Mm-hmm. I thought it was Liz.
I don't think so.
I thought it was either you or Liz.
Yeah, no, I was holding my breath.
What about that voice? Did somebody swallow really hard?
It might have been me.
Necrophonic.
No, I hear.
Okay, everybody hold your breath for a second. Still breathing.
I'm hearing it coming from over there by Mitchell.
For sure, breathing.
Yeah, I heard a heavy here too. I thought Liz was like over there.
Yeah.
No.
Is there someone behind me?
Did you see it spike up? Okay. Are you making the EMF meter spike? Oh, did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
It jumped pretty good. Was that you that made the noise? Go. So go. Look at that.
That's spiking good.
Yeah, it's spiking really good. Are you in the cell with us? Yeah. Look at that. Thank you for confirming that. And there's no electricity in this bunker right here. Jake Bird. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Is this Jake Bird? No. Is this somebody who knew him? Yes.
So almost on like no, like a quick split second.
Yeah, there it is. Look at that. Bird murdered? Look at that. Look at it spike, dude. Cole, can you see it spiking on there?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, that is spiking huge. We're gonna go see that cellmate. We're gonna go see if his name was Jake.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, that's good. Guess it's like his own wall. Oh my god, dude, don't do that.
I can't help but sneeze.
Oh, block it. You didn't even like cover it.
I did.
Heart attack, dude.
Oh, did you think I ghosted sneeze
No.
on you or what? By that rope door thing, rope trap door.
It was. No way.
Was it Jake Bird?
No way. It was not.
Yep.
Dude, I swear. We're gonna go back on that. I swear it said that.
Yeah, it did. I found these just sitting there, so.
Oh, okay.
Didn't want you to
Birds is like, what, right here?
Over here.
So this wasn't the same guy that did a bunch of both. or
Yeah,
this
it is,
wasn't?
yep.
It is.
We're in the hatchet cell. Is this where you wanted us?
A little bit.
Seth back. Did your lemon too, Colt?
Yep.
Yeah, that one for sure was lemon.
Okay, can you say Bishop's name for us?
You got puppy?
Yeah, he got puppy. Seth's gonna hold on to the puppy all
Yeah.
night. That was interesting. Listen, have you noticed that we've gotten almost every single one of our devices to go off with like intelligent responses?
Oh my god. Yeah, I guess.
That's never happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we had,
That was Tyler. That would have been.
So we were down there, and
It's just
Oh.
to move it.
all right. So we were down there. We were using necrophonic, right? And we were like, "Can you tell us the name of whoever's in this cell?" And it said Jake.
Really?
Bird. Like
Which
that, yeah.
cell were you in?
Some cards one, and then it said
Which floor? Bottom?
bottom, and then it told us to go up to the second floor right across from Jake's thing where the hatchets are. We went in there and the EMF started.
That's where Jake's cell is.
Oh, is it?
Or wherever the noose is.
Yeah, that's the
It's
cell.
a few
Yep.
cells down. I don't remember
It's right across
which
where-
exact one, but it's like
Here, it's
just
right
a
here.
couple cells down.
oh, God.
Yep, go in here once.
I just saw some crazy right.
This one.
Yeah, this is it because they put him
Yeah.
with the axe
Yep.
and the
Yeah, this is where they had it go. It told us to go into the room with the axe, the hatchets.
What?
Yeah. Well, it kept saying knife, weapon, stuff like that. And then it told us to go to that jail cell, and it kept saying Jake Bird. And we kept getting EMF spikes like crazy up here. Crazy.
Yeah, I'm not scared of it now. Put the light off. I don't like
Go in there once with the light off.
Don't turn the light
I'm
off.
not gonna turn it off. Feels a lot colder than the rest of the place.
Really, I feel warmer in here. I also just came from
Yeah.
dead
Right.
freezing. Yeah.
Like, I think the coldest it was in that room was like 40, what, 43?
I think so.
Oh god, I just got a freaking huge headache.
Yeah.
Really bad.
That goes off right after you say that?
Whoa.
This temperature. Is that you?
responses.
Is that you? Did you give me a headache?
Bird.
Done.
Yeah. Hear it?
Are you in here, Jake?
Oh my gosh. I was asking, is it actually Jake or is it someone pretending to be him?
Or that he's just infamous so they talk about him. What? Why do you make your faces behind me?
I see something standing right there.
Oh my god, I just said Jake. Are you standing here with us?
You should have listened.
What did we do wrong?
Jake is. Oh god.
What?
Is that her name?
I said Jake is pissed.
Why? What did we do? Bird is
angry.
Why? We didn't try to make you angry.
Can you tell us what we did?
Cursed.
Why?
It's the hex. Cursed.
No. Why?
Why?
Tyler.
Yeah.
It said
It
leave.
said Tyler, go.
Yeah, it said leave Tyler.
Okay, you want me to leave?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll leave for now.
Jake Bird. It said Jake Bird.
Oh my god.
Alright, we'll leave. If that's what you want.
Nah.
I don't know.
Oh my god, hang on. Dude. When I just peeking my head in there, like.
It said that's Jake. Did you say Jake?
Like, I just got really lightheaded and, like, I almost fucking fell over. Like, when I went in there and I looked up at the fucking mannequin.
It said something about attitude.
Yeah. Well,
Dude, what the hell?
Did that get weird in there too?
Yeah.
What just happened?
What was that?
Yeah, we're.
Oh my god.
So right now, we are gonna do a spirit box session, but we're gonna do it the Estes method, which is where we have headphones on the person listening to the spirit box, and then it's noise canceling, so that way they cannot hear anything. He will be in here by himself. We are gonna go down a little bit, and we're gonna ask questions and see what lines up with his answers. So
you guys are gonna go downstairs, and you're not gonna be standing right there.
I don't know about downstairs,
We might
but
just go around the corner.
yeah.
Oh, around the corner. Okay, and so you just want me to yell it.
It's like wild corners. Okay. No corners in the Squirrel Cage Jail.
What is that? Oh, the REM pod already?
The temperature.
Oh wow.
That's a big difference. The second you put them on. Give me you stinky butthead. Bed Sheeran. What?
Tell me he's dumb.
You're dumb.
Colt, you suck so bad. I can't even tell how bad you suck.
Look at that Ed Sheeran looking ass.
Alright, cool, he can't hear us.
We'll be okay.
This is a face worth calling.
Our friend Colt? Oh my god. Are you making the REM pod go off right now? He's not even noticing the REM pod because he can't hear it. Wow. Could you say something to our friend? Jake Bird, is that you?
Yeah, guys, I can't make anything out.
Oh, he can't make anything
I
out.
thought it was like, yeah, guys. I was like, oh, wait.
Alright, do you want to swap people?
Yeah.
Alright.
Mitchell, get up in there.
No. I get really confused with sensory deprivation stuff, and like I don't.
Alright, I'll give it a roll.
Okay.
Alright, go in there, switch it.
Otherwise, I wouldn't.
This is button. Oh.
Only thing that I felt like the floor moved beneath me. Where'd you guys go?
Okay, this ain't me.
Because I felt.
Dude, the EMS going crazy too.
Is it?
Yeah.
We like you.
It's like as soon as someone else it's like.
Alyssa?
What is happening?
It's going to purple.
Nuh-uh. I thought you guys were touching it.
No.
No.
Holy crap.
What's that
I've
mean?
never seen this before in my life.
As soon as Seth
Something
walked
have to be
in.
holding it. And the temperature at the same time.
Holy. As soon as I left.
Give it a reset and see if it continues.
No, he ruined it. Doesn't like
He does not like you, bud.
Oh, yep. You don't like Colt?
That's funny.
Do you like me? Do you like Colt? Alright.
What in the
Reaches
world?
on.
I've had that thing.
Oh my god, it went purple
forever.
again.
I've never seen that before in my life.
It was doing nothing when I was in the.
This is fucking crazy.
No. No.
I'm gonna try to get these headphones in while it's going.
Can we just do it out here? Holy, is that you making that? Who's making this go off? I'm sorry. Who's making this go off?
Maybe we should ask questions just right here. Yeah, try it.
Who's here? Wow, I've never seen this before. Ever. This is like the stuff I see in other people's stuff, and I'm like, what? Jake Bird, is that you? Or is this an inmate, at least?
Is it one of the, what are they, jail housers, were they? The people that, like, the wardens, pretty much.
Jailer?
Yeah.
Are you just done? Are you gonna say anything to our friend? Are you upset?
Yes.
Why are you upset? You gotta tell your friend.
I mean, I'm pretty sure Tyler and I said we would leave him alone, so I mean, I'd be upset too.
You did?
Yeah.
We totally
You
did.
didn't tell me that.
Well, I didn't,
Did
I
they
said
tell
for
you that?
now.
Is that why you're mad?
I said for now.
There's literally not even anything other than.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
I was just telling him, I was like, well, I'm pretty sure Tyler and I said that we would leave him alone. And so I would suspect that, yeah, he's a little upset that we're not leaving him alone like we said we were going to.
I was also about to say something. I was going to say, I'll sit in there if somebody else is here.
Sits like out here?
Well, we
or
can.
stands here.
I'll stand here. Are you gonna do the spirit box?
I don't know if that's what it wants though. Can you make that stop for a second so you can answer the question? So you can do what you want? Holy crap.
This is more than I.
Like,
That's cool.
I am mind blown right now. This is nuts, dude.
That's crazy.
Nuts.
It was just
I've never
sitting
seen
on
this.
purple.
Ever. Ever.
What if I
Okay.
go back in there if it would just stay?
Do you want us to leave you alone in here? Or do you want somebody else to ask, or to sit and listen? No, it's me. I don't like it.
Oh.
It's cool, bro.
Yep. Yep. It's you.
Holy
Something
I
just
don't
touched
like
my
it.
back.
That was me.
No, right before you walked by.
Yeah,
It doesn't like you.
No, I think it likes me too much.
Or does it like you?
This is nuts.
You gonna go in there?
Set back up.
Holy
Oh,
crap.
you can see the
This,
red carpet.
everything on it is going off.
I don't think I've ever seen it.
Wow, no.
Yeah.
I've never even seen this on actually the temperature and that going on at the same
Yeah.
time ever.
Like even in
And
other people's
no,
stuff?
No.
Oh.
Oh.
Get over here, good looking.
If you want us to leave, knock the axe over that's leaning up against the bed.
We just want a clear sign. Oh, that's going off too.
Well, it's right
Oh
next
my
to the
God.
axe.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's trying.
Well, I think that's
Come on, you can do it.
I think that's a clear sign.
Knock the axe over if you want us to leave you alone.
What? I'm just like... What in the world?
It's like I don't know which one of you likes.
Do you want Seth to sit in there? Do you want me to sit in there? Oh wait, is that Seth? Wait.
Can't quite tell.
Yeah.
Sit in there again, see what happens. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yep.
The K2's going off too.
Oh my god.
Wait, so what does that mean again?
The K2 meter's going off too. Everything in
That
the
means
room.
there is so much energy going on right
We
now.
need a cat ball. Oh my
I
god.
have one.
Do
No, I
you?
don't. Damn it.
Oh my god, the K2 too. Oh my god. This is the most nuts thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Yeah.
Is that gonna be thermal?
Yeah. Still going on?
I'm not sure what it, like, because I mean, it's kind of sporadic at this point.
Oh, I don't know if it wants us to.
Oh, it is past 3
To do
o'clock.
it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Look at this. This has never gone off this much.
Just reset it.
Reset the REM pod?
Yeah. Never mind.
It wants to be going on. I like it. Oh, that's the mannequin, right?
Yeah.
What?
Just EMF
Oh
is
my
going.
god.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Yep.
I was just about to say Mitchell up.
Out?
Not the spirit box, me. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, you want me to leave? Alright, I will leave the cell. Holy fucking shit. Okay, I'm out of the cell now. What, would you like to say anything to us? Would you like to say anything to Alyssa?
Sit down.
Me? You want me to sit down?
There's a female voice on here. I gotta turn this up.
That'd be the weirdest for her to go right now.
Yeah, I know.
Like, I
that's how
can't,
feel.
like, stabilize. Like, I feel like the ground is, like, moving underneath of me.
This is weird.
Yeah.
Say what?
Bird again. Alright. We're just getting our stuff all set up then. We're gonna be going now.
Can't follow us. Yep. No following. I appreciate your time.
Oh my god, I just got, like, touched, like, twice.
I appreciate your time.
Colt.
Smoke.
Smoke or Colt?
Oh. If you want, I can leave you a smoke as well.
I don't know if we're supposed to do it.
I did, I heard do it.
I don't know if we're supposed to leave them myself. I just did.
Oh, it's whatever. Like,
Just like that.
dude, just the leg that was in the cage got full shivers and like my hair is standing on end. Like that's how it feels. But just that leg.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's turn on the lights in here so we can see what we're doing.
Oh my god.
All right, thank you for your time.
Irritated you. Sorry. Oh.
Oh, wait, that's mine. Yeah.
What? What were you saying?
Something about it was like your house.
All right, this was the Squirrel Cage Jail. This was absolutely incredible. Towards the end, I kind of disappeared. I was doing camera. I got super tired and cranky, but this was an amazing experience. If you get the chance to go. You need to come here. It's so cool. We had that was the most our EMF and our REM pod has ever went off ever. So far.
All the equipment at once.
Yeah, all of it at once.
First time I've ever seen like all of our pieces of equipment going off at once.
And Spirit Box, AM and FM, forwards and backwards said Jake Bird and Necrophonic. And then on Necrophonic, a lot of people don't believe the app. We're kind of iffy, but I mean, to get responses like that is a little weird. That's why we test it out, because a lot of people swear by it, so we're trying to test it out. And so far, we've gotten some pretty clear responses that are, some of them are, you know, iffy, and I don't just write the subtitles down on my own. Like, I send them to all these guys and other people asking what they hear. I don't even. This was Squirrel Cage Jail. This was amazing. Thanks for having us. Yeah, like how the structure is and the type of. We've never been to a jail yet. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
We have another jail coming up soon too. I'm not gonna give anything away, but we got an awesome announcement coming up, and super excited for it. And it's gonna be an amazing trip.
It really will.
Yeah, we're gonna be pumping out all sorts of haunted videos for you guys. We've been up for almost 24 hours now.
Yep. Now it's time to pack up the gear and head out.
Yeah.
There's a loud bang.
Time to go.
All right. See you guys in the next one.
Oh, well, shit.
If you really think that you've done everything you could, be prepared. Real problems just about to come on.
Fucking damn it, made me pee myself.